Hi, I'm Derek and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you'll learn about things that will help you in everyday life. I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb in my tail light for my 2017 Kia Sorento. Now there's a trick to do this and I'll show you towards the end, so stay tuned. So first there's some two nuts in here that you have to take off. Once you have that off, then you have to be able to pull this light off just like so. So let's get to it. So in order to remove the light, first you have to remove this panel. Just take a flathead screwdriver. And there's two little notches that you can just pop it out. All right, once that's out, you have these two little nuts right here. As you can see, there are two nuts right here that you have to take out. Once you take those out, you're good to go. Now that these are removed, now you can remove the light. Okay, so to remove this light, all you need is a piece of string or whatever you have. I have an old shoestring that I'm going to put through here. Now you just kind of loosen this out because you want to get behind this little black piece. And then you slide it in. And once you have it slid in, wrap it around your hand and you're going to pull it. All right, so now that I have it securely wrapped around my hand, all you have to do is just pull and wiggle. And it's off. And that's so much easier than trying to pound it out like some other people might suggest. Okay, so in order to take the bulbs out, all you have to do is just twist these gray pieces. This is the yellow light, this is the white light. Now I've already replaced this white light, so I'm not going to touch it because you need gloves. You don't want to touch a bulb with your bare hands because the oil will create hot spots and it'll burn it out prematurely. But all you have to do is push down and twist. And you can take the bulb out and then put it back in. You have to push down and twist. If you see right here, there's two notches. Now there's little posts that stick out that you line up with those notches, and that's how you line it up correctly. And like I said, push in and twist and you're good to go. Then all you have to do is just put the bulb back in, line it up. Oops. You don't have a whole lot of room to work with, so you can twist it back in and you're good to go. And then these are the prongs that are impossible to get out. All you have to do is line that up with these over here. So just line that up with these over here, slide it in, and it's back in. So you're all done. You just need to put everything back together. So put everything back and then you're good to go. One thing to note, make sure you test everything out before you put it back together. Make sure the lights works. So hope this helps. Take care.